for lesson 3 lesson 3. So do the practice questions for lesson 3, and also do the textbook questions. So yeah, expressing the number in scientific notation. The whole key is to count the number of zeros here. So to find out the answer, you have to count the number of zeros in the decimals here to figure out which option is correct. So test that out. So scientific notation is all based on the amount of zeros in decimals. So that's very important to figuring this out. And then I express number in scientific notation. Like I said, again, look at the zeros. That's the key to doing scientific notation, is count the zeros, and that's the best way to get the answer. Again, count the number of zeros here, and then that's the best way to get the answer. Here, you count the number of zeros, and then figure out, and then that's the key to finding the answer. So that's so do that, and then you can select one of these options here. And then here again, zeros, check the zeros here. Perform the indicated operation here. The key to doing this is you have to distribute this minus the negative 18a to the 4, distribute the minus to the negative 19a to the 3, and then combine like terms. So combine all the a cubes together, combine all the a to the 4s together, then you'll get your answer. And then perform the indicated operation. To start, you're going to distribute the negative to each term here. So negative 16n cubed, 5n, negative 3n, and then combine like terms. So combine the n's together, combine the n cubes together, combine the n and the 6's together. And then here, perform the indicated operation, distribute the plus across here, and then combine all like terms together. So the n to the 5, the n, and the n squared, and combine those together. And then simplify the expression, distribute the negative to the 5r, negative to the negative r. Simplify this expression, distribute the negatives to the 9x, negative to the x, and negative to the negative 4. Simplify the expression, distribute the negatives to the 4y, to the y here, to the negative 3 here, to the 7, and then combine like terms. And then here, the profit, you want to... So the profit is $8,620,000. So you divide the profit by the small appliances number, and then convert it to scientific notation. And then here, a trillion calculations. You want to multiply this here by a trillion, and then turn it into scientific notation. And then here, amount of debt per person. Take the national debt divided by population, and then convert it to scientific notation.